Okay.
Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So today we'll learn the API, how to handle API in Cypress.
Okay.
So first of all, tell me what is API?
The code which we write for executing anything.
Okay, so basically its full form is like application programming interface, correct?
Okay. Application programming interface. Okay.
Yeah, like for example, if you're sitting and want to check it out the weather of your city,
Mm-hmm.
okay, you just write on the Google weather of the city, so you will get some detail, correct? So
Yes.
that would be happen by using some APIs. They will fetch you some data and can display it. Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, so you request it and you are getting the response for that one. So here we have an example. Like if you see carefully, see this one website is there. Can you see? Request.in.
Yes.
Yeah. So here you can see the different kind of APIs like this.
Yes.
List users, get method, single users. This one is a
Get put
yeah,
post.
yeah,
Delete.
delete like this. Okay. So you can see the responses here. This was a request and
Mm-hmm.
200 response. 200 means your data, like you're getting the data for 200. If 201 is there something mistake or something wrong is going to happen. Okay.
Okay.
So in this case, this was the responses you're getting. Okay. Now,
Okay.
if you go and check it out here, this one is page two. So you can see this for like this page two per page six like this.
Yes.
This is JSON format, correct?
Yes.
Yeah. So now what we'll do, we have some code here. So one by one we check it out. How to use APIs testing using Cypress.
Okay.
Okay, now see this one is the get method. Okay,
Yeah.
so we use in Cypress we use cbad.request. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, and we are using some method get method we are using right now, and this one is your endpoints. This is your endpoints.
What is that?
Endpoints.
Endpoints. Okay.
Yeah, like if you see carefully here, so you can see this endpoints like this. Regress.in API users. This is the endpoints. Okay, like for example, if I right click here, go to inspect, inspect here, network. If I click on this gate, okay, I mean inside this network right now.
Mm-hmm.
mm, I am clicking get method, so you can see some changes happen here like this. So if I check it out the endpoints here, preview response
And response.
timing, I can see the endpoints. Yeah, this one is the payload. Yeah, see I'm getting this one. I click this one, correct?
Okay.
Michael last name Lawson, correct? Response timing header. Yeah, this one is the requested URL payload. Can you see?
Yes.
Yeah. So like when you want to check it out the payload for some sorry endpoints, so you just inspect it, go to network and click any button. You can see in this header or payload some request URL. Okay,
Okay.
so this one you can see the request method is get. The status code is 200, means okay.
Yeah.
Okay, now this one is going to manually, correct? So you can
Mm-hmm.
also do using the Cypress. So for instance, if you go to the Cypress code here, see this is your endpoint. Okay, now in this
Mm-hmm.
case you are just doing fetching the water contain this one, correct? So like use how to fetch the data from this endpoints, you use then function here.
Okay.
Yesterday you have seen like how to use then inside we have variable, correct?
Yes.
Yeah, so this variable now contains your status code. So you are
Okay.
using expectation here, response dot status equal to 200.
Okay.
Okay, now again you want to check it out what is there inside the body data, like what is the first name, Michael is there or not. So if you go here manually you can check it out. uh, See, you'll get Michael. This is payload and this is review. You can see Michael here, can you see?
Yeah.
First name Michael, last name Lawson, correct?
Okay.
So you're fetching from the Cypress, first name Michael, for get method. So first you understand what do you mean by get and post. Okay, so actually
Okay.
whatever data is there you want to fetch only data, in that case you can use get method. And if you want to create or do some up like changes in the data you can use post method, like creating the user and all. Okay, if you want to update you can use put method. Whatever you created you want to do some changes you can use put method. And for delete
Yeah.
you can remove the data from the database, delete method. Okay, so in this way you can just, if I run this one first kit, I want to just check it out what
Mm-hmm.
is the status of the code and what is the first name and last name, like first name is Michael is there or not. So first I run this code.
Okay.
See get post put is run. You cannot see, because it's not a UI. API is not UI that you can check it out. It is working,
Okay.
yeah, in the background. So if you see click on get, you can see the expected is 200 equal to, yes, correct. Expected Michael to equal to Michael, yeah, the first name is Michael is correct.
Okay.
Yeah, and a second case is like when you want to create some data, like in this user in this user you don't have this Rama or student job, but you created
Okay.
at your own. So you create one user here. Inside user you can just put name Rama student XYZ, and in that case use post method. This is your endpoints. Okay, and you create one user here. Okay, so this is the user which contain your name and job.
Okay.
Okay, then in the response you are checking the response dot status 201, response dot body dot name equal to user dot name, user dot job. You are comparing the user with this user, it is created or not.
Okay.
Now if you see the result here, see post create here, you can click it. Yeah, this one is 201, Rama is equal to Rama, and student is equal. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Again, suppose if you want to do some changes in this code, you just go and instead of this Rama, you can just put Gita here and change the name here. Again, you can just run using this put method here. You will get the result like this. Put Gita to Gita, students to student. The same payload, same endpoint here. If you want to delete it, go to your code. Like see, delete this one. Expect response 204. So you'll get the result here 204 means deleted here. You cannot see the data here because it is deleted now.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So in this way you can work using API. So now you have lots of doubt in this API. Tell me one by one.
Yeah.
We'll solve it out.
So first, we will use get method.
Yeah.
So first we have to write like what we have to mention it in
Hmm.
the code, right?
Mm-hmm. Right. See value request.
Okay.
Get method and endpoints. Yeah.
We will put the endpoints. Now we have to go to the post.
Post. Yeah.
So once we delete it, we cannot see that in the API also, right?
Correct.
Okay. So if we want to again put it in the API, what we have to do after deleting?
Again, you can create no user post method like this.
Okay. Post create user. Okay. So instead of completely deleting it, I can update it.
Yeah, you can also update it. But how you can update because there is no data now. First, you need to create data. Then
Okay.
you need to update like this.
Okay. ఎన్ని బాక్సెస్ వచ్చినాయి? Okay. So can you explain this last step for me? That CY dot request. No,
Yeah,
no, no. Yeah,
this
this one, the CY
this one.
dot
Yeah, say
request.
like in
Put.
this in API testing in Cypress, like if you want to use any endpoints, okay, with method,
Mm-hmm.
so you just like actually what is this API? You are requesting something. On that request, you will get some response, correct? So
Yes.
you are Cypress requesting something, okay,
Okay.
and on that basis, you will get some responses. So this is kind of variable now in the form of response. Now you are fetching whatever you want, like response dot status equal to 200. This one is explicit assertion we have seen yesterday, correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
So here, like after completion of API, like after writing complete API,
Mm-hmm.
we will write the test cases and then we will test it, or
Yeah.
we will write the complete API
Mm-hmm.
and we will test using the Cypress.
Uh, first understand one thing, like what we are testing here.
Okay, I'm not asking about the testing. I'm asking about how the flow of testing.
Okay, let me explain you. Like, see, for example, we have a database.
Mm-hmm.
Like, 1 second, I just open this code. Okay, so now we have this JSON format. Okay,
Okay.
now this is the endpoints. Inside this, I'm getting this thing, first name, last name, and the you cannot see as of now here the status code. But if you go here,
Yeah.
request, if you can see here the 200 responses. This one,
Yes.
yeah, in this case, correct. So on that basis, you can check it out the status code, the first name, last name by hitting these API, these endpoints.
Okay.
Whatever inside these endpoints now, you will get the result using this. So what happened in this case, like this one CVR request means what, they will hitting out these endpoints, and
Mm-hmm.
we are using one method, like then inside that we use one variable. So what now, whatever this endpoints contain, no, it will All the data comes in these responses here now. Now, if you want to check it out the status for the particular endpoints, you can just put response dot status equal to 100 or not. Response body name equal to user one dot name, because this one is user dot one, na? Like
Okay.
this. Yeah, in that case, you can check it out. For in the Michael case, you can see first name. Here we are just checking
Yeah.
out response dot body dot data comma 0 equal to Michael.
Okay.
So if you go to
Okay.
here, if you go to your JSON format, so this one is data 0 array. This one is Michael.
Okay.
If you want to
Yeah.
check it out, what is should be there in data 2, for example, 0 1 2. The first name is Tobias. Okay,
Yeah.
so this is the array in which all the data is there. You can just verify that what is the email ID, first name, last name, avatar, XYZ.
Mm-hmm.
Got it?
Yeah. Okay. So I'll share my screen.
Okay.
So we are just talking about the
Network.
responses, right?
Yeah. You just do one thing. Just yeah. Yeah, I'm comfortable with this only. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here we have.
You just clear it first. Clear it first.
Yeah.
By you can see. Yeah, correct. Now, whatever you want to click that one. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Now you
So
can.
yeah, these are the
Yeah,
responses here.
responses exactly. Yeah.
Okay.
Now check it out the endpoints for this one in a header, or you will get endpoints. Okay. Go to preview.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, this one the access control allow origin. Okay. Okay. See what is there in the preview. Preview. Total 71 rows. Okay. Responses. Okay. And initiator. Okay. So in a response, we will get all the data. Correct.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So how we are testing this now?
Now, first of all, you check it out. Body is there or not in the header. Go to header.
Okay.
Yeah. This one is the first. Check it. Payload is not there. Na payload. You will get payload body status code. Hmm.
Let's try for another one then.
Yeah. Status. You can see 200 status. Can you see?
Yeah.
Yeah. Even though you can click on auth data, third line, left hand side, left hand side. Yeah. Yeah. Click auth data, auth.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can see preview response. Okay. Go to response. In that case, user ID you will get client. Okay. You'll get the full name. Can you see? You can verify the full name here. Demo.
Email logged,
Yeah.
user ID,
Correct.
title.
Hmm. You can verify first name, email ID, token, status code.
Okay.
Okay.
So if I have an error, let's see. I know this. There was an error. What does this mean?
Go to response. Invalid token.
Hmm.
The token is invalid now. You're getting response.
Okay, what does this mean actually?
Okay, you just
What is?
you just go to application. Network.
Yeah,
Yeah, right side application you can see application. Right side network performance memory application. Right side. Yeah, here you can see here local. Can you go to local storage?
this one.
Go down. Yeah, first line local, first one. Go up. Yeah, click that one. Yeah, you can see the your dream. Yeah, here you can see some token values. You can see ID token. Can you see right hand
Yeah.
side? Right hand side. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you can also do this API testing by using the Postman.
Yeah.
So in the
I'm aware of Postman.
yeah, in the Postman you can just put this ID token like
Okay.
yeah in the auth code. So basically it shows you that this token is not correct. So you compare this token with your API. What is there inside this?
Okay. I think they're using this Node.js.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let me confirm the complete structure and we'll ask you again.
Sure.
So today I was testing this cases and I got this error.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So I'm not aware of this error. Why
Okay.
this is getting?
Yeah.
I just wanted to ask you.
Yeah. It's a invalid token. They're telling you.
Okay,
Yeah.
got it. So in this case, like I have to go to the response. So where is this response? Okay, and see what exactly the message is
Yeah.
giving.
Exactly.
Okay. So in another case, if the data got loaded,
Mm-hmm. First clear it. One second. First clear
yeah,
this.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
And load the data now. Now it's again giving 204. Something is missing. 204 means some invalid data, something. Click it. Go to response.
No response.
No response.
Yeah, so here we have got these responses. So how to test these responses now?
Okay. Like first you need to find the endpoint for this one. Okay. Once you get the
Where
endpoint,
can I find the
mm,
endpoint?
go to header.
Okay.
You can see somewhere you can see the endpoints. In my case, once again, let me check at my end.
Mm-hmm.
See, can you just search request URL? Control F,
Request you.
yeah, Control F and request URL. Some URL is there. Test URL. No, na?
No,
Hmm,
just the URL.
no
No.
match. See, first you do one thing.
Mm-hmm.
Like if you're working on API, no,
Mm.
so you ask endpoints and payload to your dev team.
Okay.
So they will first what they they create their end URL with payloads and they will send to you for checking. You cannot find here if you're not getting correct. So
Okay.
the example we are using no right now in Cypress, so it's already there for testing purpose or for practice purpose. But in real
Okay.
scenario, the dev team you have to ask for you endpoint and the payload. They will give it to you with the status code and all.
Okay.
Yeah. So either you can run manual testing using Postman or else you can do automation testing with Cypress.
Okay.
Yeah. So they call as collection. You ask for
Yeah.
collection, so they will give you payload and APIs and all. So when you are dealing with get method, then there is no need to have payload. But instead of get, if you are using post, delete, put, then you can use a payload. Actually, the get
Okay.
because we are just fetching the data. So in that case, there
Okay.
is no need to have payload for get method.
Okay. Got it.
Got it? Now you do one thing, Madhuri. I'll send you the code. Do practice and check it out the different names and all. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'll check. I'll give you one by one this one code. Do practice here.
Sorry, got disconnected.
Yeah. Yeah. Can you see my screen?
No.
Okay.
Please
Again.
share it
Yeah.
again.
No. I sent to you. Copy that one.
Yeah. Got it.
Okay. Now you can share your screen and try to use this one.
Okay.
Can you share your screen, Madhuri?
I am. Oh, I think you are not visible.
Yeah, no, yeah, now I can see.
Okay. So now CY dot request. So directly we have to write the CY dot request without using CY dot visit.
Yeah, actually, we are not dealing with any UI, no?
Okay.
See, in this API, we don't have any UI as correct? Only we have endpoints.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So, like if you have any UI, then we can use visit, no, for website purpose.
Okay. So which website we are using now?
Right now, we are using that we have as of now because we already have the endpoints and the data. Request.in,
What is that? Ray?
reqres.in.
Okay.
So this
Okay.
is this website you cannot use. You need to use the endpoint for this website.
Okay.
Yeah. So how to search this API endpoint? You go to the website, inspect it. Yeah. Go down. Yeah. Network. Go down. You can see get post method. All method you can see. Scroll down that. First scroll down the website. Yeah. Go down. Go down. You can see this gate post correct. Which
Yes.
yeah, whichever you want to hit now, just click get method on. So first clear this API. No. First clear the API. Yeah. Now click on get method. Yeah. Now you can just click check it out the endpoint. Yeah. Payload preview. Can you see? This was the header. Go to payload. After header you can see payload. The tab. No. Go up. Headers, payload, preview, response. You know the tabs.
Where are those?
Up. Go.
Access control age.
No, we don't want this one. Yeah. Go to preview. Response. You don't see payload here?
No, just the
Uh,
only
Endpoint.
payload.
Yeah, endpoints. I'm talking about the endpoints for a second. The endpoints is there in the header section. Request URL. Go to header section.
Reporting endpoints.
Reporting Heroku. No. Go down.
I don't see any endpoint over here.
Okay, so in that case, you just go and click on the second API. What is the second API? That below that one. Mhm, 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 mhm.
We have only reporting endpoints. There is no requesting endpoints.
Okay. Okay, let me share my screen.
Okay.
Now, Madhuri, you can see here in this user page, I can see request
Okay.
URL, header, payload, review, responses.
Why not in my pay? In my.
See, once again, I'll do the same. Once again, what I'll do, I'll clear it first,
Mm-hmm.
and I click on any get method and check it out. What happened now? If I click on the first one, okay, get. Now what? I can see users page 2. Can you see?
Mm-hmm.
Status 200. I click this page also. I go to header. I can see the request URL.
I cannot see request URL.
Can you see this users page at your end? Users at question mark page equal to 2.
Yes.
Click on that one. You will get.
Can you tell me the name of the website again?
Regress.in. I am sending you. HTTPS. I am sending to you. Copy from here. The same website, no?
Yeah.
If I clear it, if I click on the post method, post method. If I click on users, again I can see the endpoint, payload, preview responses. I can see. So I can see this response to not one.
Okay. I'm getting this
Getting now?
request URL. Yeah.
Okay, so each API you can see responses here. If I click on get again,
Okay.
delayed response. So you'll get delayed response here. See, it will time delayed
Yeah.
response. Yeah, like this you can see manually.
Okay.
Okay, now share your
Okay.
screen. I'll stop sharing now. Yeah, exactly.
So now copy paste this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now,
Okay, now what do you want to check it out here? Status code, correct?
yeah.
So you can do one thing. Do one thing. See, you remove this expert and just put your cvar.log. Under put response. Now, in that case, we'll check it out what is there inside this response, correct?
Okay.
Run it, save it and run it. Okay, you can see object 8.
Mm-hmm.
Can you see object 8? Can you display here object 8?
Yes.
Correct. Now do one thing. Just go to your code. You can just put response.text. See what happened. Dot text. Yeah, and use this parenthesis
Inside this?
after text. Yeah, yeah. Save it and run it. Okay, it's not working, correct? So
No, it's not
you just
working.
to go to inspect and check it out. What are the Okay, you cannot use text like this.
Okay.
Yeah, remove that text and check it out. What are the eight objects we can see in the, yeah. Go to your
So how we
inspect response. Go to your response. Response tab. Yeah, you can see the for that get, you have eight object, correct?
yes.
Yeah. So you can also
First name Michael.
yeah, one, two, three, four. You can also check it out in the manually also. Which one you are choosing? Get. So you can see the response.
This one.
Eight object means you can just count. Zero to seven is eight. Is there or not? ID seven to eight. Can you count?
One, two, three, four, five, six. There are six.
Six is there, correct?
Yeah.
Also, they count the status code also.
This one.
Page two. No,
That means eight.
status code is like the header only. Status code get. Can you see 200 status code?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how that got defined as eight when we don't have eight responses here?
Uh, if you see now, go to your Cypress. Can you rerun again?
I think I didn't save.
Save it.
Oh, it's taking a lot of time.
Mm-hmm. Refresh it or close it and yeah. Now see,
Yeah.
they're telling you not eight responses. They're telling you in one response you
Object
have
eight.
object eight, correct?
Okay.
Yeah. Now you have to go to that response and check it out. Is there any object eight is there or not? Like if you count six is there, correct? Go to your, yeah. See, six is there, correct? Go down,
Per page six. Total 12. Total pages two.
and this one is support URL HTTP request heading and text. Okay.
Okay, it's considering like this. So this whole thing is one.
Yeah.
This is two, three, four,
Hmm.
five, six,
Yeah.
seven, and this is eight.
Correct.
Okay.
Okay. Now you can also check it out the body of this one, like response dot status. Put response dot status. Check what happened now.
No,
What happened? No. 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 Status. Can you check
should
it?
be outside.
Can you check it out my code? Response dot. It's response dot status dot equal to 200, and that should be inside this expect assertion, not in CY dot log.
Okay. So do I need to remove everything?
No, you need to remove only CY dot log. Put expect, then dot equal to 200. Run it, save it and run it.
It got passed.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you can also check it out the manually. Can you open the website? Now close this one, payload and all. Close it. No, close like right hand side. You can see the, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Now click on any method here, like patch or put. So you can see right hand side response 200. Can you see?
Yes.
Yeah. Now click on patch. Patch and put both work as update. You can see response
Okay.
200, morphos,
Yes.
job like
Yes.
this.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Delete. Say 204. Nothing is displayed.
Okay.
Post again ID4 token number you can see.
Missing password.
Yeah.
Okay.
See token counts means login unsuccessful, login
Okay.
successful, delayed
Oh,
response. So you can see delayed one. Yeah. So I'll give you an assignment. Use all these APIs, different API, and check it
mhm.
out using Cypress.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll do that.
Yeah. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay then. Madhuri, we'll meet tomorrow then.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Bye. Take care.
You too.